The Sunset Auto Family, the fastest growing dealer group in Washington State.
Dealerships all over the Sound.
Sunset Chevrolet in tiny overhead Sumner since 1920. Sunset Ford, also in Sumner, just off Highway 410. And Sunset Kia Mitsubishi on Auburn Way North in Auburn. Go to sunsetautofamily.com and see about 2,500 new and pre-owned vehicles all day, every day.
Ooh, that's a lot of cars, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers.
Most with warranty protection for life. But here's the tough part. Or the rub, as Billy Shakespeare once put it. Finding a sales staff that meets Sunset's highest standards to sell these babies. So, if you are a true automobile sales professional and not, one of those
how you doing? Oops.
car salesmen, and if you deserve one of the best pay plans in the industry, health insurance, and retirement benefits, and more, go to sunsetautofamily.com. Click on Employment Opportunities. And let's talk. There's tons of customers and inventory just wait. But you have to be completely customer focused. Because that's the Sunset Family Standard. The Sunset Auto Family. Sunset is an equal opportunity employer.